Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yvette. I am not selling bags, but I don't have a place for this, so I hung up in here. You always see these bags here every time that I have a video. So today, I baked a banana. This is banana cake. And look at this, very nice. Look at that. I baked this today. Mainit-init pa. And why it is almost half? Because I already distributed to all my friends here nearby. So I will mukbang this one, banana cake, and also I am going to have a shout out. Alright? The ingredients of this is raisin flour, that is Kangaroo. I think Kangaroo, the brand. I already threw the box. Olive oil, flour, banana. I put 3 pieces of banana. 1 is big and 2 is normal size. And I used red sugar, baking soda. Yeah, that's it. And mixed it together and put in the rice cooker, because the rice cooker here, it has a set up for cake, so yeah, I used the other rice cooker. So we will mukbang this later, after I am going to shout out all my friends, all the way from Facebook and all the way from YouTube world. So I will start from my Facebook friend. They commented on my post last time. So Anne Ozolens, she's my cousin. She's in the US. She have a YouTube channel, Wilhelm and Austin's Vlog. Jeff's Kami, Sam Lloyd Ibale, Sam.vlog, Jenny De La Tour Fuentes, Baby M Zuber, Miro Zuber, Yen West, It's Yen, Junalyn Miles, the Miles Journey, Irma Nam I Aber, Mama La, Kaini Atatado Custodio, Mommy Kaini, John Russell de la Vega, John Russell, this is John Russell YT name, Yves Masangya, Shirley Moreno Smith, Darling Luna, Cecil Calza Albios, Jakey Barlahan, JC Couch, Jane Pitiluna from Taiwan, Maiz Abad, she is here in Hong Kong, she's my cousin as well, Miss Chinita Rees YouTube channel, Reese Beliaris Rosal, she's my cousin as well, Honey Pie Tutur Superan, she is also have a channel, I think Eve's Tutur, Yanmi Baila Baron, Rihanna Biadnes, she's my sister all the way from Kuwait, Julene Velonza, and Jerfy Batarilan. Alright, that is my friends on Facebook, and my friends from YouTube world. Anyway, congratulations to all Hong Kong vloggers that who is already a YouTube partner. Congratulations to all of you, and shout out to all of you Hong Kong vloggers. And from YouTube world, Euro Wonder, Salvatore, Vince Sigera, Beth Love Song, The Miles Journey, Besh Dada, Miss Chinita Rees, Editha Bosboso, My Korean Dreams, Eileen Yusuf, The Ver Bovi family, I like them, Syra Lane, Taylene Arminio, Esther Amolar, Bamba, My Vlogs Hong Kong, G Gayola, Madam Carmi Vlogs, best, all the way from Where is she? Huh. Germany. No, it's in Norway. Armand08. Bob's Key to the World. Yvettesvlog. He is from Canada. OD and Mommy Kaini Vlog. So shout out to all of you. So now I am going to eat my my banana cake. Let's eat, guys. So good. I didn't use butter because I don't have butter. I used cooking oil, olive oil. Last time I used a crushed nuts, but now I don't have nuts, so yeah. Banana cake, homemade. So good. I don't put a white sugar. I use a leftover brown sugar that I used last time. Not too many. Not too much. Just a little bit. Very good. Yummy. Half more. It's really good. Later I'll eat again. It's really good. Oops. Huh. It's good. I am using my iPhone 7 Plus. Later I will make coffee. Later I will make coffee for this. So thank you so very much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next one. Thank you so very much. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just smash that subscribe icon and also ring my bell so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video. So thank you so very much, and shout out to all my beautiful almost 7,000 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, and to those who left, thank you. Still thank you to all of you. Thank you so very much. Bye.